guys. Hey, big boy. Hey, little one. Hi, Sugar Plum.
Is she hitting already?
Ooh, new bedding.
Oh.
Too far?
How's that?
Good. Good babies. It's all clean. So today we decided to clean out the coop. It was about +5 Celsius here today, and it's been warm for a few days. So the bedding was starting to get quite mucky, even though we were deep bedding and we add fresh layers. It was still getting a little bit mucky because, of course, the run gets mucky. Hello, turkey. And so, yeah, we just decided to take the opportunity to clean it out. The floor of our coop is insulated, so I know you'll probably see in lots of Facebook groups and things. He's literally pecking me. What are you doing? You'll see people say, you know, deep bedding over the winter, no need to clean it out. And we didn't have any intention of cleaning out. But we did notice that the eggs are coming into the house not clean. And that's a problem for me. Not that we care whether people wash their eggs or not, but the issue is that we're about to load up the incubator. And so I need the eggs to be clean to go in the incubator. So we figured clean out the coop now, took it right down to nothing, all new bedding, and then sort of start the process again. And hopefully we'll get some clean eggs all through January and whatnot for the incubator. Don't pick on people. Been handling them lots today. The roosters in particular, they get a little bit saucy, so you got to pick them up and carry them and pat them on the head for a little while and assert your dominance. It works well. They don't attack us. So anyways, that's about it for today. Oh, and we had to cut into another round bale for the horses. So 2 horses ate 1 round bale over about 5 weeks. So that's pretty good. Cost wise, I don't have a problem with that. So anyways, I hope you guys have had a great Christmas. Thank you for joining us on our channel. Hopefully next year we'll have some new content for everybody, and as we expand our flock, and hopefully we get some new stuff to show. Like I'm hoping a couple of the hens will go broody and hatch their own, so I don't have to use the incubator, and maybe even the turkey hens. That would be fun. We're going to build some new runs, and I'm not sure what else yet. We kind of just decide as we go. So I hope you've had a lovely Christmas or holiday season, whatever that looks like for you and your family. And we'll see you in the new year. Thanks, everyone.